Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you where to activate the FRI20 promo code. If you don't have an account yet, create one using any registration method you prefer. I'll go with the one-click sign-up. Once you're logged in, head to your profile, find the extra section in the menu, open the promo code page, enter FRI20, and confirm the activation by clicking OK. That's it, you're all set.